Good day, everyone. So our topic for today is about nature of roots of a quadratic equation. So our objectives at the end of the lesson, students shall be able to characterize the roots of a quadratic equation using discriminant. Next is evaluate the expression b squared or b raised to 2 minus 4ac given the value of a, b, and c. So let's start the topic. Describing the nature of characters of the roots of a quadratic equation. It can be one of each of the following: a, real or imaginary, b, rational or irrational, c, equal or unequal. Given the formula of the equation, ax raised to 2 plus bx plus c equal 0, where a, b, c are real number and e is not equal 0, then using the quadratic equation, the quadratic formula, the roots are negative b plus square root of b squared or raised to 2 minus 4ac over 2a and negative b minus square root of b squared 2 or raised to 2 minus 4ac over 2a. So next is looking at the two roots, we can see that they are real or imaginary by using the quantity under the radical sign. It's defined whether it's positive, 0, or negative. Similarly, if the value inside the radical sign is a perfect square, then the roots are irrational. If not, they are irrational. Remember, the roots are rational. If not, they are irrational. To have equal roots, the quantity under the radical must be 0. So next is, therefore, the nature of the roots can be decided by using the quantity b squared or raised to 2 minus 4ac, which is called the determinant. So this is called determinant of the equation ax raised to 2 or square root of 2 plus bx plus c is equal 0. Thus, a, if b squared or raised to 2 minus 4ac is equal 0, the roots are real, equal, and rational. B, if b squared or raised to 2 minus 4ac is less than 0, the roots are unequal and imaginary. Remember, if the b squared minus 4ac is equal to 0, that roots are real or equal and irrational. If b raised to 2 minus 4ac is less than 0, the roots are unequal and imaginary. So letter C, if b squared or raised to 0 minus 4ac greater than 0 and a perfect square, the roots are real, unequal, and rational. Sa letter D naman, if b squared or raised to 0 minus 4ac greater than 0 but not a perfect square, the roots are real, unequal, and irrational. So, example number 1. By inspection, determine the nature of the roots of the following equation. Yung A is x squared minus 7x minus 8 is equal 0. So B naman is 2x squared 2 or raised to 2 minus 4x plus 1 is equal 0. So C naman is 3x raised to 2 or squared 2 plus 9x plus 11 equals 0. Sa D naman is x squared or raised to 2 minus 12x plus 36 is equal 0. So solution sa A, the equation x squared minus 7x minus 8 is equal to 0 gives a is equal 1, yung b is equal negative 7, and c is equal negative 8. Substituting the given value of a, b, and c in the expression, we have b squared minus 4ac is equal, yung the a is equal negative 7. So we write this negative 7 raised to 2, then negative 4, then our A is equal 1, then our C is equal negative 8. So write this negative 8. Next is the square root of negative 7 is equal 49. Then the negative 4 times 1 and times negative 8 is equal positive 32. So if we add 49 plus 32 is equal 81. So since 81 is a greater than 0 and a perfect square, then the equation x squared or raised to negative 7x negative 8 equals 0 has two real, rational, and unequal roots. So solution, the letter C, the equation 3x squared. 3x squared or raised to 2 plus 9x plus 11 is equal to 0 gives a is equal 3, b is equal 9, and c is equal 11. Substituting the given values of a, b, and c in the expression we have. So first is b squared minus 4ac is equal, the b is equal 9. So I write this 9 and raised to 2 is equal to, then copy the negative 4, then our a is equal 3, then write this 3 times negative 4 times 3, then our c is equal 11, then write 11, so times 11. So next is the square root of 9 is equal 81. Then if negative 4 times 3 times 11 is equal negative 132. So if we subtract the 81 and 132 is equal negative 44. So since negative 44 is less than 0, then the equation 3x squared 2 plus 9x plus 11 equals 0 has imaginary and unequal roots. In letter D, the equation x squared minus 12x plus 36 equals 0 gives a is equal 1, b is equal negative 12, and c is equal 36. Substituting the given value of a, b, and c in the expression we have. So next is b squared minus 4ac is equal, our b is equal negative 12 raised to 2 minus 4 times our a is equal 1, then times our c is equal 36. Then next is the square root of negative 12 is equal 144. Not squared. This example is 12. Negative 12 times negative 12 is equal to 144. Then if negative 4 multiply 1 in 36 is equal to negative 144. So next is if we subtract the 144 is equal to 0. Since the discriminant is equal to 0, then the equation x squared minus 12x plus 36 is equal to 0 has real, rational, and equal roots. Next is example 2. Example 2a, give the equation close parenthesis 3x plus 1 squared 2 plus 2x k plus 1 x plus k is equal 0. Find the value of k for which the roots are equal. So B is for what value of k are the roots of x squared minus 5x minus k is equal 0 is I imaginary and I2 is real and now inequality. So letter C, find R so that the root of the equation R minus 3 x squared x R minus x minus 4 is equal to 0 are equal. So our solution first is the letter A. Give the equation 3x plus 1 squared 2 plus 2k plus 1x plus k equals 0. Find the value of k for the which the roots are equal. So next, for equal roots, the determinant must be equal to 0. Therefore, b squared minus 4ac is equal to 0. So 2k, 2 times k plus 1 n squared minus 4 times 3k plus 1 times k is equal to 0. So 2k plus 2 squared minus 12k. Bakit siya naging 12? Bakit siya naging 2k plus 2? Because square root 2k and multiply this into 10. So yung 2 multiply sa k is equal to k. Then 2 multiply sa 1 is equal 2. Then square of 2, then negative 12k. Bakit na, why this is 12k? Because 4 times 3k is equal to 20k. Then 4 times 1 is equal 4. Then copy the k and equal 0. Next, 4k squared plus 8k. Why this is 4k? Because 2k squared is equal to 4k squared. 8 squared of 2 is equal to 8k plus 4. Basta gi-copy na ito 2k, then another 2k, then i-multiply is ito ang magiging kalalabasan niya. So in 12k raised to 2 yan, negative 4k is equal to 0. So next is negative 8k squared plus 4k plus 4 equals 0. So solution A, give the equation 3k plus 1 x squared plus 2k plus 2 times 2k plus 1 x plus k equals 0. Find the value of k for which our roots are equal. So for equal roots, the determinant must be equal to 0. Therefore, 8k squared minus 4k negative 4 is equal to 0. So dividing both sides by 4, we have 2k squared minus k minus 1 equals 0. Divide both sides this in 4. Okay, so the result is this. Next, to solve for k, we have k minus 1, 2k plus 1 is equal 0. So next is for equal roots, the determinant must be equal to 0. Therefore, equal both factor to 0 and solve for k. So, k minus 1 is equal 0 or 2k plus 1 is equal 0. So, k equals 0, equal 1, then 2k is equal negative 1. So, our k is equal negative 1 half is the value of k for which the roots are equal are 1 and 1 half and 1 and negative 1 half. So next solution for B, give the equation of 6 squared raised to 2 negative 5x negative k is equal to 0. We have A equals 6 and B equal negative 5 and C equal negative k. So sa letter I and sa number 1, in order to have imaginary root b squared negative 4ac must be less than 0, which is denoted by is b squared minus 4ac is less than 0. So next, hence, our b is equal negative 5 squared, then copy the negative 4c, then our a is 6, so write this 6, and our c is negative e, so write this in less than 0. So next is the square of negative 5 is equal to 25, plus if we multiply this, is the result is 24p, then copy the less than 0. Next is 24p less than negative 25. Therefore, p is less than negative 25 over 24. So, sa number 2, na letter B, in order to have real and unequal roots, b squared minus 4ac must be greater than 0, which is denoted by b squared minus 4ac greater than 0. So, therefore, based on e is greater than negative 24 over 25, complement of the answer, and I. Solution, and later C, find R that the roots of the equation times R minus 3x squared minus R minus x minus 4 is equal to 0, are equal. Solving for R, we have R minus 2 times R plus 6 is equal to 0. Then R minus 2 is equal to 0, or R plus 6 is equal to 0. So R is equal to, or R is equal to negative 6. Therefore, the value of R for which the roots are equal are 2 and negative 6. So next is, what is photomath? Tangkiling na palang teacher niyo. So, photomath is known worldwide of, di pa makita. So, photomath is known as worldwide for helping millions of learners to learn, practice, and understand math one step at a time. Billion of math problems, from elementary arithmetic to advanced calculus and everything in between. Photomath can solve billions of math problems, including word problems, whether handwriting in a textbook or or on a screen. Photomath is here to help you untangle your trickiest problem. Next is self-paced learning. Photomath instant support is like having a 24/7 virtual tutor. Checking your homework before dinner, stuck on a problem at 2 a.m., we can help follow our detailed steps, taking whether time you need to review definition are rationally and more all with the explanation. So next is how to use Photomath. Scan any math problem with the Photomath app to get step-by-step explanation with accurate solution and have a variety of teacher-approved methods. Math is about the process, so Photomath breaks your problem into bite-sized steps to help you understand the what and why. Along with the how, whether you're learning basic arithmetic or advanced geometry, we tackle it together step by step. How to use Photomat. So first is, let's, you can see this, my phone. So this is the look. Where's my camera? Oh, the look of Photomat. So first, scan math problem for instant result. So next is explore multiple solve options. Next is visualize is step with animated tutorials. So and that's all. Thank you everyone.